For the next 21 days, we rise together with a renewed body, a charged mind, and a soul that is guiding you forward with simple practices that elevate you and align you, which will make you unstoppable. It is your declaration to empowerment. We're on day 18, and we are here to discuss something which is very important. What is the difference between surrender and giving up? At the surface level, they might mean the same thing, but in its true nature, they are very different. They're actually worlds apart. Surrender comes from faith, and giving up comes from exhaustion. When you surrender to the flow of life. You surrender to a higher power. You surrender to the ability that things can really work out for you. And when you do that, your entire experience itself changes, and every single minute of your life starts feeling like a miracle. When you give up, your nervous system starts to shut down. Your body becomes tense and stiff, and you start feeling hopelessness, a stressful state where you feel that there is no possibility left anymore. Whereas when you surrender, your body begins to relax. Your body has a sense of hope that something is going to come up, and your entire body shifts your nervous system into a state of ease and peace. Science shows us that this relaxed state is your alpha state of mind, and in this state, your intuition starts to flow in, your creativity starts to flow in, and solutions begin to emerge from within you. Meditators seek this state often so that they can come into a centered being, whereas other people strive this just through keeping themselves involved. And when they keep themselves so extremely involved, they tend to experience a burnout. So instead of experiencing surrender, they end up experiencing giving up, burnt out states. When you come into the state of feeling that I have done all that I could, I have opened up every possibility that I could, and now I leave it to a higher power. I leave the outcome to life for it to create for me. That is called the law of allowing. And when you are in this state of allowing, opportunities open up. Your own possibilities open up. Parts of you that you never knew existed inside of you start coming to the surface. You start finding resources, people, options which will make things happen for you. Doesn't this sound beautiful? Now it's time to experience this beauty within you right now. So for the next few moments, I want you to sit down comfortably. Nothing is a barrier between you and me. We're connecting energetically. I want you to close your eyes and just focus on your breath and bring both your hands to the center of your chest. And as you do, just focus on how easily and naturally your breath is going in and out. Life is also like that. It goes in and out, it finds its rhythm, it finds its flow. And as you're in that state, I want you to imagine, visualize, feel that there is a beautiful golden little bubble of light entering you from the center of your chest. And this golden bubble of light is spreading through you. It's spreading from your heart into your entire chest, into your abdomen, and it's spreading further and further into your legs, arms, and face. This golden light has fully spread through you entirely, and as you do, you notice you're feeling relaxed. Your breathing slows down, and you're in a state of allowing now. In that state of allowing, I want you to repeat after me. I trust that life works out in my favor. I trust that everything aligns for my highest good. And I surrender to the best life that I'm truly meant to live, with the people, with the resources, with the higher power, making space for it. Take a deep breath And just exhale from your mouth, letting go of any attachment, any emotion that you might be holding on to. And open your eyes. It's done. You were in a state of allowance for a couple of minutes. And that's more than enough. The journey begins there. Those couple of minutes will start becoming couple of hours, and before you know it, it will become the way of life that you live. What I want you to do is type down in the comments, what are you willing to surrender to? What are you willing for life to take you forward with? We have something special coming up in the next couple of days where you can experience with us a full energy change, where you know what you're in control of and where you know where you need to surrender, and then the magic of life really begins. If you really want to experience that, watch out for this space, because we have a special announcement for you, because we want you to experience this not just for these few moments on YouTube, but we want you to experience this for the rest of your life. If you're really excited for this, please put a thumbs up to this video and we will get back to you with the details.